Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have Soundcore Liberty 4 Pro headphones and I'm going to tell you how can you easily call Google Assistant in your Android phone. At first we have to enter our application. Here we have to go into gestures. This gesture is not set defaultly, so we have to set our Google Assistant to some gesture that you want. For me it will be long press on the left earbud. Here we have the voice assistant and now back. As you can see now I will remove my single headphone from the case, and as you can see now with the long touch we can call our Google Assistant. Let me check if it's set. As you can see voice assistant is set now, so let's touch. Let me take our right earbud out of the case too. And let me insert our headphones in the ear. Now I'm holding the left touch panel. As you can see it works now. That's it, hope it helps you and goodbye.